Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a neat trick on how to log out from a device without actually opening the device. If you're looking to remotely log out of your Messenger account from a specific device, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into our full guide. If you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, no worries. We'll guide you through the process step by step. Head over to the Play Store and in the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon featuring a sideways lightning bolt. It has a beautiful gradient between purple and blue. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then hit the install button. Great! Now that you have Messenger installed, it's time to sign in. Open the app and sign in using your Facebook account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your chat list. To log out from a specific device without opening it, follow these steps. Tap on the 3 stacked horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. From there, tap on the gear icon next to your username to access the settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Privacy and Safety. Then, scroll further down to Security and tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Within this section, you'll find the Logins option. Tap on Logins, and you'll see a list of accounts that have or had access to your Messenger account. The device you're currently using will be highlighted with a bold green "This login" text. If you want to log out from a different device, simply tap on that device from the list. Once you tap on a device other than yours, you'll see a red Logout button at the bottom of the list. Scroll down and tap on it. By doing this, the device you forced to log out will no longer have access to your Messenger account unless it re-signs in. That's it. You've successfully logged out from a device without opening the device itself. This is a handy feature if you want to ensure the security of your Messenger account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy messaging.